Hello mga kahadi! Ayan, so, ayan, i-share ko lang tong aking birthday gift for myself. Thank you so much pala sa mga nag-share ng blessings sa aking, ayan, birthday. So, I bought this for myself. Ayan, birthday gift for myself. Ayan, chawan! So, 2 peraso pala tong aking nabili. Yan. So, ayan. It's a sandals. Ayan. So, ito yung aking nabiling, ito na aking napili na kulay, guys. My favorite colors. Laki ng pa ako, no? Ang laki ng paa ni Habi. So, ito naman yung isa. Ayan. It's a black colors. Ayan, ito yung aking napili, guys. Kasi, sakto lang yung, yan, yung heels niya. Hindi masyadong mataas pa. Ayan, comfortable ako nito, maglakad-lakad. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayan lang yung aking share. Thank you so much for the love.